In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Ad Preview and Diagnosis tool within Google Ads. This powerful feature helps you see how your ads appear in search results and diagnose any issues that could affect your campaigns. By accurately testing your ads without affecting performance metrics, you can make more informed decisions. First, let's make our way to the official Google Ads website. You can easily find it by searching for Google Ads or navigating directly to their homepage. Once you arrive, look for the Sign In button. This is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will prompt you to enter your login details. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your Google Ads home. This is your dashboard where all your campaigns and settings are conveniently organized. Next, direct your attention to the top navigation bar on your dashboard. Here you'll find various tools and options. What you want to do is find and click on Tools. This section is like the control room where you manage various aspects of your advertising campaigns. After you select Tools, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, look for Troubleshooting. This is where you can access features that help you resolve potential problems with your ads. By selecting Troubleshooting, you'll be redirected to a new section designed specifically for diagnosing issues. Among the options available in the Troubleshooting section, you'll find Ad Preview and Diagnosis. Go ahead and click on it. This feature is particularly handy because it allows you to see what your ads look like in Google search results. Not only that, but it also makes sure you don't accidentally inflate your impressions or clicks, which could otherwise interfere with your performance data. Once in the Ad Preview and Diagnosis tool, you'll be asked to specify details such as the location, language, and device you want to preview your ad in. This flexibility lets you see exactly how your ads are performing in different geographic locations and helps identify how they appear across various devices like mobile phones or desktops. Now, underperforming ads can be diagnosed to provide insights on why certain ads might not be displaying. The system may suggest common issues like low ad rank or keyword problems. It's your task to analyze these suggestions and make appropriate adjustments based on this informative feedback. The Ad Preview and Diagnosis tool really is a game changer for fine-tuning your advertising strategies and ensuring your ads reach the correct audience in the desired format. By regularly monitoring and adjusting your campaigns, you can increase your efficiency and reach your marketing goals more effectively. So there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive guide on how to utilize the Ad Preview and Diagnosis tool within Google Ads. With clear insight into your ad performance, you can confidently adjust your strategy moving forward. Happy advertising, and see you in the next tutorial.